The resources of our planet are limited. Nevertheless, we are taking up more and more land and using more and more raw materials. Today, we already need 1.75 Earths. Food production is extremely resource intensive, yet 1/3 of all food worldwide ends up as waste. Plastic islands pollute our oceans, and global warming is also progressing if we continue to act like we have in the past. It's time to take action. With various fields of operation along the entire value cycle, the Schwarz Group is more than the sum of its parts. Lidl and Kaufland are our strong brands in food retailing in Europe and the US. Schwarz Production produces high quality food and pays particular attention to the use of sustainable raw material. With PreZero, our experts in waste and recycling management, we focus on the reusability of materials and invest in a clean future. As an international group of companies, we have an impact on society and the environment in many areas. We take this responsibility very seriously. That is why we joined the UN Global Compact in 2020. We shape our actions consciously. All our activities are based on the group-wide sustainability strategy with our 4 focus topics: people, product quality, circular systems, and ecosystems. We address the global challenges of the future with our global objectives.
Lidl and Kaufland have committed to reduce the use of plastic in a significant way and to maximize its recyclability. And this is in line with our holistic strategy, Reset Plastic, which sets the objective to use an average of 25% of recycled plastic in our private label packaging. A good example for our effort is that all bottles we produce for our German market are entirely made of old bottles. And by doing so, we already save 50,000 tons of plastic every year, only in Germany. We want to achieve the greatest possible impact, and therefore we do cooperate with farmers, scientific institutes, suppliers and other partners in a variety of initiatives.
We pursue the vision of less plastic and closed loops. We try to close loops by linking ecology and economy and vice versa. As PreZero, we collect post-consumer waste. This post-consumer waste is sorted, processed and recycled in our facilities. From the granulate and the pellets we produce in this recycling process, we provide this raw material for the production of, for example, laundry baskets, bins, buckets or clothes hangers, which are then again sold in our retail stores at Lidl and Kaufland. As you can see, we've done a lot in the past, but there's yet more products and more solutions to come.
We joined the Science Based Targets initiative and developed our own climate targets. We will reduce 55% of our operational greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 compared to 2019. Lidl and Kaufland are going one step further and will make their operations climate neutral starting in 2022. E-charging stations, photovoltaic systems, the expansion of our climate neutral product range, energy efficient buildings and our plastic strategy Reset Plastic are just some of the measures we are already implementing today. As a food retailer, we are well aware that food cultivation and production play an important role. Therefore, we support our suppliers in their climate protection efforts. The way we work will also change. Especially this recent time has proven that our world is changing quickly and is becoming more and more digital. This can be an opportunity to solve the workforce shortage challenges. We must face and counter the scarcity of resources. Circular economy is also the key here. In Europe, we therefore call for the introduction of a deposit system. This is just one example of how circular economy can be a solution-oriented approach to the future. We are committed to this on each and every day because our goal is to use our size and company strength to set standards for an appreciative togetherness and an environment worth living in. From production and trade to disposal and recycling, at Schwarz Group we cover the complete material loop within our own company and take our responsibility very seriously.